Hello, I'm Virginia, an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator from Edmonton, Alberta, and I wanted to show you the cards I've made for my April card kit. Um, they're all very simple, easy to do. This has got dies. I cannot give you the images or any stamped images, but I can give you dies. And this card opens up like that. It's a little bit different. So it's $35 for the kit. It's e-transferred to my email address, vahodgins@aol.com, and you get everything you need to make 2 cards each of these 3 designs. The patterns will be a little bit different, but the layout will be the same. And as I say, so you provide the um, images, sentiments, and the glue, and I give you everything else. All right. Thanks for watching.